Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got, as you saw in the thumbnail, how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 awesome testers kits that I just got into, not just today. There were 3 shipments, but 3 different people they came from. I'm gonna get these on the, they won't all fit on the bench, so I've got to do them one at a time. You can see, just can't see the top of one right there. They're so cool. Testers had such a variety of different cars and things, not like old muscle too much or anything like that, but foreign cars and exotics. They had all kinds of stuff and in different scales, and we're about to see that here in a second. But anyway, I just want to say thanks to you guys who are subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and, well, you can wait to the end, but anyway, hit that subscription button and let's check out these kits. Here we go. All right, so the first one is, and this is actually the first one that I got in. It's the 34 Rolls-Royce Phantom II. I've seen this one a lot. That's not, I was going to say a long time, but a lot came out. I've seen it for a long time, but I've never really pulled the trigger on it to get it. Not my favorite car, I'll be quite honest with you, but it is a neat car, very interesting. The way this one's built, looks like they just, because the parts come in orange and silver, it's almost like they didn't even paint it. But anyway, they may have, may have to do an unboxing on it one day, not sure. It's not like the most coolest car on the planet or anything, but it is made by that company, Italeri. Did I say it right this time? Italeri. But it is a 1/24 scale kit, and the Testors always had the best box art, and it's a 1980 edition. So it's got some age on it, and it's very cool. And it has a top. It doesn't have to be that old ugly with the windows rolled up. Why don't you roll your windows up if your top's down? You know, you ever see people do that? Fly by in a convertible, top down, windows rolled up. I'm like, really? Anyway, there's one. 34 Rolls-Royce Phantom II. Secondly, this one just came in today. Man, this one's cool. Can you hear the theme music? How did it go? I've got Simon & Simon in my head. I'm trying to think of Magnum PI, but anyway, I've got the that's Simon & Simon. Oh well, wrong show. But anyway, yeah, Magnum PI, I remember seeing him rip out in this Ferrari GTO, but I got this one today. This is an Italeri kit also. It is a they're very simple. Some of these kits are super simple. They have an engine, but it's not a real detailed engine. This one, I mean, you can see it has an engine, but it's not like, they're not super detailed. They are, however, they do have an engine, but you can't like see up through the bottom of it. It's kind of like a solid piece. This kit is from 1986. I mean, this is right there prime time with the Magnum PI show. But these, I got these, I bought 3 and then 2 and then 2 separate. But they were from, 5 of them were from the same person. And they did an excellent job packing these things, and they came just safe and sound. So, Ferrari GTO, the only Ferrari GTO model kit. Did you know that? I didn't until I just saw that. Alright, next. Got 2 of these, and this makes 3 of these that I actually have now. So the Pantera GTS, and it's the Tomaso Pantera GTS, and I just think it's the most cool looking car. I have already done a box opening on these cars before. They're very simplistic. The body is the main detail. It has interior, it has gears and stuff like battery, a place where you can put battery. There's one of those bugs flying around. I'm not going to swat at it. Someone told me in the comments I should turn the camera off to swat at bugs. But if I did that, we'd have to turn it off. But anyway, one piece body, 61 parts, front wheels turn left and right. It's very simplistic, but like I say, the body and the tires and wheels are the coolest thing. No engine or anything like that. So I've got 3 of these now. I have 3 of these. Let's see, what year were these? 1985. But they are cool looking. You can't say they're not. and I want to build one and try to do it up right, but I just think they're the coolest car. These are not cheap kits, to be honest. To be a very simple toy, basically it's a toy. It doesn't have the motor or anything, but it does have the gears. It got a place to put batteries and all. But for that, they're expensive. I'll just say that they're expensive, and I got these at a good deal, as kind of like a package deal. So I got 3 of these, counting the one on my shelf, and I also have the Pantera GTS by Airfix. So you can go back and find the videos where I look at the Pantera GTS testers compared to the Pantera GTS Airfix. So there's those two. Those took up a lot of space. All right, we're getting down to it. Now this one is super cool. This one is really cool. The other night I was on Lucas C's Unpodcast. If you haven't seen that, go over to Lucas C channel, check it out. But he spotted this one behind me. He's a Porsche. I like to say that because he says Porsche. He's a Porsche guy, and he recognized it right off the rip. It doesn't say Fujimi, it doesn't say Italeri, or it doesn't say anything. He was pretty sure it was a Fujimi kit, but I had someone in the comments say that this is the Heller kit. I don't know. I'll have to do some digging and details, but all I know is it's cool. Very cool. I will definitely do an unboxing on this one. And the year, look at that thing. Look at the rear tires, how big they are. They're just ginormous. And again, Testors box art, just second to none. Just so cool. 1987. A good year. I remember 1987. My dad bought a brand new Ford Ranger in 1987. It was cool. I think my mom also bought a new Toyota Camry in 1987. But anyways, the Porsche 917K by Testors. But I think it might be the Heller kit. So someone said. I'll have to do some searching. If you guys want to check it out and go to ScaleMates and give me some information on this, it's kit 397, and I'm sure ScaleMates will give it away really quick. All right, next. These next two are really cool. I didn't expect this, but anyway, here's one of them. Now, look how big this darn box is. Okay, so this box is only that much. That's much smaller. You get one of these boxes and it's even like that. So these are big. They're 1/20th scale. I had no idea. Lamborghini Jota, 1/20th scale. This thing is massively big, and I'm going to do an unboxing on this one and the other one. Then these two are 1/20th scale. They're Fujimi kits. Very simple. Well, I take that back. This one has quite a bit of detail. It's a 1986 edition of this kit. A Fujimi 1/20th scale Lamborghini Jota. It does have an engine, which would really need to be dolled up because that looks terrible. But yeah, probably could really make this thing look nice. I'm pretty sure the doors open and close, although they don't have them opening and closing on here because it was probably the most horrible fit ever, like that big gap in the door there. But the doors are separate, so I'm assuming they open and close. But yeah, I got these things. Didn't even realize they were 1/20th. I'm thinking, dang, where am I going to put it? The box is just ginormous. So I got that Lamborghini Jota. Don't have a clue what the year model. What year model is this car? It looks like the gas tank is right there in the middle of the hood where you can splash gas all over your nice paint job. Yeah, let me know. Kit number 420. You gonna do some research on that for me too? 420. What year is this kit? I mean, what year is this car? Not kit. I know what year the kit is. All right. Last but not least, last but the coolest, I would say, is this big guy. And I can barely get it all in here. Lamborghini Countach LP 500S 1/20th scale by Fujimi. Ain't that cool? I didn't know it was a 1/20th scale. They're a little bit bigger too. This one has many operating features. The Lamborghini over there, the Jota, it says parts molded in color, and I'm pretty sure this is just plastic. They didn't paint this. This is just the plastic. They could have done better on that one for sure. let me down on the box art on that one. So let me get this one turned around. I have to move out of the way over here. But a Countach, and Countaches are just so cool because when I was a kid, they were the coolest car ever. The 1986, I might have already said that, 1986 edition of the Countach, or of this Fujimi kit. Around 1986 or 1987, you see that they were from Testors Corporation, Rockford, Illinois. I went to Rockford, Illinois about 1986 or 1987, right around there sometime. My aunt lived in Rockford, and I wish I'd have known that Testors was there as a kid. I'd like to go and see the operation. But I thought I would show you guys these kits. Like I say, Testors, I think they're just cool. For one, they're out of business. So they're out of business, so I don't know. I think it just adds to the coolness of it, because you're not going to see them boxed like this ever again. And I think that is the appeal that I have, is that they're done. Testors is no more. You may see something with Testors on it, but it's not the Testors Corporation as we knew it with these kits. So every time I can get some of these, and the price, a lot of these Testors kits are not cheap. They're fairly expensive. But I think because of, you know, they're not going to be made anymore. You may see a repopped AMT with the same box art and all, but you're probably never going to see Testors coming out with the yellow boxes, and I think that they're cool boxes. They stack up nice. They had a subject matter was cool as can be on the different cars that they have. But anyway, with all that said, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And hey, go check out Hobby Nut Models. If I do, in fact, build any of these, which I would really like to build that Porsche there, but they will get paint from Hobby Nut Models applied to them. I'd like to build one of these, and I would really like to build this Porsche. But anyway, I'd like to build every kit that I've got, but you know, getting around to that's like 2 lifetimes. But anyway, go check out Mark's inventory, hobbynutmodels.com, in the description of the video. Facebook group, you guys are great. Thank you for your contributions to the group. Over 3,000 members now in the Model Car Video Facebook group. Go join if you dare. All the information you need to know to get there is linked in the description below, as well as the Spring Store, where you can grab yourself a coffee mug or a sticker or a t-shirt or a hoodie with model car videos on it. And the Patreon page is also linked in the description box. So you guys go check those things out. And I'll get all these, try to find a place to put them. And I hope you all have a great day, night, morning, whenever you see this. But hey, thank you so much for your support, guys. I really appreciate you. You take care. You take care. We'll see you all, or you'll see me all, on the next video. See you.